This tutorial will teach you how to turn your old pair of jeans into a new folding wallet with card slots and a cash pouch. You can download the free pattern for this wallet by following the link in the description below, and then follow along with the step-by-step instructions. Before you start, you want to cut out your pattern pieces out of one leg of a pair of jeans. You also need a small 4x10-inch scrap of material that's a little bit thinner than denim to use for the lining on the inside. To start with, you are going to apply interfacing to the inner pocket, the tab, and the outer wallet pieces. Fold the top of the lower and middle pocket pieces over a 1/2 inch and sew it in place. Now you are going to stack the pocket pieces in size order. These will make the side pockets. So you will have the side pocket, and then the middle pocket, and the lower pocket. Line up the smaller pocket pieces with the outer edge of the side pockets, and baste them together around the side and the bottom. Now you are going to make a reverse hem by folding the side pocket piece on top of the middle and lower pocket pieces to cover up the raw edges. You're doing it this way because denim is a fairly thick material, and this way you don't have to fold over all of the layers of denim, it's just that bottom layer that you're folding over. Now you are going to sew the side pockets to the inner pocket piece. Stack both sets of pockets on either side of the inner pocket, lining up the pockets with the outer edge. There should be a slight gap in the middle, and the hemmed side of the pocket should be facing the center. Then you want to baste everything together around the sides and bottom. Now you are going to fold over the upper edge of the inner pocket and sew it in place. Now let's get the outer wallet ready. Fold the sides of the tab piece over 1/2 inch and baste them in place. Now you are going to add the magnet clasp to the tab. The way you do this will be slightly different depending on your magnet clasp, so follow the instructions that you're given. Usually this will require cutting some small slits in the fabric so that the prongs on the back of the magnet clasp can poke through. After applying the magnet, you're going to fold the tab in half with wrong sides together, and then top stitch close to the edge through all of the layers. After doing this, you can remove the basting stitches. Now we are going to attach the tab to one side of the outer wallet and the other side of the magnet to the other side of the wallet. Now we are going to add the lining to the outer wallet. With wrong sides together, you're going to attach the outer wallet lining to the outer wallet and baste them together around the perimeter. Be careful to avoid the magnet as you go. Next, you are going to sew the inner wallet and the outer wallet together. Line up the inner wallet and outer wallet and baste them together along the sides and bottom, so that now you have your cash pocket. Now we still need to finish the raw edges, so use some double fold bias tape and fold it around the edges of the wallet and sew them in place. After sewing, you can remove any visible basting stitches from all of the previous steps. And that's it. You have a finished denim wallet that you made by upcycling a pair of old jeans.